Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes.
Today we start chapter 10, visualizing solid shapes. Words to know: the first word is two-dimensional shape. Plane shapes having two measurements, that is length and width, are called two-dimensional shapes. For example, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. are 2D shapes. Second word, three-dimensional shape. Solid objects having three measurements, that is length, width, height, or depth, are called three-dimensional shapes. For example, cubes, cylinders, cones, spheres are 3D shapes. Third point, polyhedrons. A solid made up of polygonal regions which are called its faces. These faces meet at edges which are line segments, and the edges meet. Now the fourth word, regular polyhedrons. A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Fifth point, prism. A prism is a polyhedron whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces are parallelograms. Pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. Point 7. Euler's formula. The relationship F plus V equal to E plus 2 is called the Euler's formula, where F stands for number of faces, V stands for number of vertices, and E stands for number of edges. This is true for all polyhedrons. Now the concept map for solid shapes. Solid shape have different views: top view, front view, and side view. Solid shape with only flat faces. Solid shapes with only flat faces are called polyhedrons. Polyhedrons are classified as convex, concave. What is convex? Convex, all the interior angles less than 180 degree, and concave with any one interior angle as reflex angle. Convex, regular and non-regular. Regular are all the faces are made up of regular polyhedrons, and non-regular faces are of different polygons. Regular shapes are this and this, and non-regular shapes are like this. Regular shapes are prism and non-regular shapes are pyramids. Now the concave. Concave with any interior angle as reflex angle, and the shapes are like this. Solid shapes with at least one curved face, that are called the non-polyhedrons. Non-polyhedron shapes are cone, sphere, cylinder, and polyhedrons are Euler's formula. They are followed by Euler's formula. Euler's formula is F plus V minus E equal to 2. So it is all about the solid shapes that we are going to read in this particular chapter